Hi, Neil Manos with EZG Manufacturing here today to introduce our EVPC 120 roller compactor. This machine is designed to do your final compaction of any type of concrete pavers, natural stone, and large format slab material, including porcelain tile. The machine is designed with 4 rubber-coated rollers that allows the machine to non-mark the pavers or the surface you're working on. It also allows you to spread out the load of the compactor to not break any type of material. Very important when you're doing your final compaction, especially on large format. The machine itself comes with a Honda GX160 motor that has a 2-year warranty, along with the 2-year warranty of the entire machine. A couple features of this EVPC 120 unit is, again, compaction force is around 2,300. The handles you have, a nice fold down handle, so if you're moving it in and out of a vehicle, easy to get into any type of situation into a trailer. Has 2 large grab handles on each side to allow you to easily load in and out of a vehicle or a trailer. And the unit itself has a throttle that's conveniently located up at the handle grab here. A lot of other units on the market will have them down below. Right here you have this handle that allows you to easily throttle forward and backwards. Easily rolls along the ground. You can see how easy it is to move. And again, it's something that is a must for any type of paver installer, natural stone installer, or porcelain tile installer.